Uh-oh.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 417 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and now includes the following counties in Indiana: Hancock and Shelby.
Oh.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the
We got a double
conditions are
hitter
favorable
coming.
for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Got double hitter coming.
How do you know?
Because I just got it from Weather Channel.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 4.